Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming. For the new subscribers, we say welcome, and for my usual subscribers, also a big hug and welcome to the show. The episode today is going to be on marry me chicken, and for that we're going to use some chicken thighs. As you can see, our chicken thighs are ready to go. So we're going to be adding some paprika to that. That's our first step, paprika. Then we're going to add some onion. This is like onion powder. We're going to go ahead and add some salt. Some little salt as well. And we're going to add some lemon pepper. Just make sure it hits everywhere. So yeah, then we have to massage that into the chicken. Just make sure. So you try to attain a look like that. You've turned it both sides and it looks like every part is covered. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and put this into our warm, hot frying pan. So that's our pan over there. We're gonna be adding some oil. Just a little oil. And onto that we will be adding our chicken. You put the skin side first. Don't forget the skin side first. Just like that. The chicken looks beautiful. We're gonna turn it onto the other side. Yeah. Turn it on both sides. As you can see, our chicken is getting seared properly. We just turned it on one side and we're going to flip it back again to the skin side. We're going to be doing that again. Just like that. We're going to cook this all through in the pan. Some people I know, they like to do it in the oven as well. But for this dish we decided to do it on the pan, no oven. So it depends on your preference. So you can click and also comment from where you're supporting us from. And for the new subscribers also, welcome. Grab a seat, welcome. This is an easy meal to do. Anybody can do it. But the recipe is right here in the Dance Ayad kitchen. The ingredients are all on the description box, what we use. So you should be able to do this at home without any problem. You can see the chicken is browning up really nice. Really nice color, and the flavors are popping. You can see all that. You can see all the juices have been released nicely. We're just gonna go ahead and pour in the onion in there. Pour our onions in there. Sure, all the onion is in there, in all those pockets. We want the onions to take up all the juice. Yeah, the onions are caramelized beautifully. So now at this point we're gonna go ahead and add our paprika. We're gonna add the paprika in there. And we're also gonna add garlic. We're gonna add garlic. And just go in there and give it a nice mix. You want them to go under, because you want them to, the chicken is really doing well and it's already almost ready. So you want the garlic and the paprika, all these things you're adding, you want them under the pan to take up all those sweet sauces at the bottom. That's why you have to take them down, you know, like that. So when that comes to the point where they're like really taking in all the juices, then we're gonna go in with our coconut. That's our coconut. Gonna go in with our coconut. That's our coconut right there. Make sure the coconut also goes to the bottom, you know. Really nice, like that. And we're also gonna go in with the oregano. We add some oregano. Like that. Just let that simmer for a few minutes and give it a little shake. Yeah, everything looking one, nice. Remember, we're cooking the chicken at medium heat. We're not cooking it at high heat because otherwise it will burn before we achieve the desired brownness that we want, color, and for the flavors to come out needs to be medium. If you put it too high, all these flavors will burn up and you will not get the desired result. So that's why we cook it on medium heat and not high, as you can see. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. There's our chicken. Marry me chicken. That's our marry me chicken recipe. Don't forget the name. We're gonna be serving this with mashed potatoes. We're gonna serve this with our mashed potatoes. Just like that. And all those juices. And then we're gonna garnish that with our, just like that. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's our chicken. Very tender and moist. I hope you enjoy the meal. Come back next time. Goodbye.